Hello, everyone. This is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and welcome for another episode of Amazon DIY. This one is going to be the short one because we will be discussing the promo code, how to create a promo code for your social media presence or when you work with an influencers. I'll start breaking it down why you may need this, and the answer is pretty simple, right? When you want to create a specific code to be used at a certain point, the length, the period, time, and share on your social media to your followers, or when you work with the specific influencers and you want to track the progress of that how well the influencer is working, or to see if there's any benefit to offer that type of discount, you will need to use that social media coupon. It is worth noting that it is not available in Canada and other marketplaces, as far as I know, unless something has changed. It's available in US, and it is a great opportunity to kind of control external traffic and offer some additional value benefits. If you know me, you know that I'm a big fan of something it's called as fixed ACOS, and this is in a part of a fixed ACOS because it drives an external traffic with a certain discounts that you provide, not what Amazon decide. So for this tutorial, we'll go to showing where is it. We will create one, and if you have any questions, please make sure you put in the comments. I'll answer them accordingly. And I make my screen a little bit bigger. I have a big screen, so I know sometimes it's difficult to see. For that purpose, the first thing what you want to do, where to locate it, we need to go to your menu section, your advertising, and it is under the promotions, along with other promotions. So you click there. And once you're on the promotions, you're going to see the three options: buy one, get one, percentage off, which breaks down into multiple other areas. But the one you want to check in is the create a promotion social media promo code. All right, so this is where you get, this is a very standard promotion platform. And you start from the top and the bottom. I'll go one by one. So buyer purchases at least quantity of items. It's one for the social media. You cannot really change it. And the purchase item. So you can add the ASINs here up to 1,000 ASINs, as you can see. You can separate them by commas, and as long as the customer purchases that X ASIN, they will receive that discount. So you can list all of the ASINs that you want to participate for a program right here. Followed by buyer gets the percentage of. Self-explanatory. You decide whatever percentage you want it to be there, and applies to the purchased item. That will go, because you're listing the ASINs under purchased items, it's going to go back to that. And the difference is, when you're picking a regular promotion, you can pick, if you buy this, you can get discount on this one. On the social media promotion, you don't really have that option. It's just the ones you already pick. So you have a warning window here, which is creating multiple promotion on the same product group may result customer combining promotions. So it's already letting you know, if you have other promotions running and you're running these code promotions, it can stack up. So make sure that you're not running, or if you want to run, it's up to you. But remember that the social media promotion will stack up on the top of your other promotion, giving your customer more discounts that sometimes may be necessary. Following the step two will be the scheduling. You pick the day and the time. I believe this runs up to 30 days. So if we pick the March 13 as a start date, it has to end in April 13. It's actually one day below because it's a 24-hour spectrum, and you need to play around here with the time to fix it. But it's a 30 days, so you cannot really exceed that 30-day mark. The reason it's still giving me the error, because it operates in a Pacific time zone. I'm in an Eastern time zone, so I believe if I do this here, it's already fixed. A promotion title, pick something creative. This is for you. Actually, this is the customer facing one. So whatever you pick will be, as an example here, you have a Mother's Day free shipping, whatever it is, and you have the tracking ID to be able to see what it is, how your promotion is performing. The last step here, the step three, it's the claim code. It's a group. If you break it down, what that means, the group claim code has no quantity limit, so you cannot control how many you are going to be sharing with your partner. So I want to take a pause here and talk a little bit about this segment here, the Amazon influencers and associates. So you can have a checked in or checked out from this. I will always suggest to have this check in because I'll tell you the reason why. So you know already what are the Amazon associates at this point. I hope you do. That's the Amazon affiliate platform marketing. So this code, when you create, can be shared with them. And the reason I like to have this always on. I have seen some examples of product going viral through Amazon Associates. We did some tests. Obviously, the higher discounts, your chances are bigger to go viral. So, by choosing this check mark in, you will allow your coupon to be shared with Amazon influencers directly. This is one of these hidden gems that you're not really going to hear people talk about, but I've seen products going absolutely viral once we've offered this discount. We've again created similar promotion to share with our own influencers, but we had this mark in, and before we even got to our influencers, the product blew up with Amazon Associates program. So if you are ready for this type of virality, you have an inventory ready to go, and that's kind of the only thing I will say to make sure you have it. You always want to leave the Amazon influencers and associates active. So that's what that little check mark there means. Followed by the redemptions per customer. Again, it's very self-explanatory. You want to have one unit per in one checkout, unless you have some different strategies. But again, you can choose how many times a customer can redeem your discount. And the last one is the claim code. You can be creative here, picking what type of code you want. Maybe something close to your brand. If you want that association, but it is something that Amazon offers you to pick from this page. Once it's done, you will review it and you will submit it. And Amazon will let you know if you have any errors with mark red. But if you go step by step, you should not have any issues. Review and submit. Once it is approved, it will take time to approve it. You can see the promotion and how it operates under the Manage Promotion tab. So that's it for today. Again, to recap, we discussed a promotion tab, a social media promo code, how to create it, when is the good time to use it, and how to use it. It is a simple to set up, but sometimes you can get significant values, and there are really good ways to use it. So, hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video, and have a good rest of your day.